Okay, so for the next question, we have a velocity time graph. That's awesome because velocity time graphs, if you know the velocity time graph, calculating the other quantities is just corresponding to calculating the area of a trapezium as well as the gradient of the velocity time graph, right? And everything should be able to derive from there. You don't even need to memorize the Suvat rules. So, okay, so what's the acceleration from t equals to 30 to t equals to 40? They basically want us to find the gradient of this velocity time graph in this region. So the gradient in this case is just, we just need to know the two endpoints. In this case, we do know the two endpoints, right? We do know the coordinates of the two endpoints. So the change in y is just 0 minus 6, and the change in x is 48 minus 0, right? And that will give us approximately minus 0.333333. And that, so the answer is E. Okay, so for the next question, right, what's the total displacement of the car after 48 seconds? So after 48 seconds, they're asking us, you see that the car stops at 48 seconds, right? The velocity is 0. So from the time initially it was at rest, the car was initially at rest, then it accelerated up, then it decelerated, right? And after that, it came to rest again. So they want us to find the distance here. But the distance is just the distance, right? Is just the integral of the velocity with respect to time, right? With respect to time. And if we want to find the displacement, then we need to plug in the two endpoints in this case. In this case, it'd be 0 from t equals to 0 to t equals to 48, right? So we're going to find the displacement s, right? The displacement s 48 minus s of 0 is just the integral here. And the integral, we do not need to know the equations. We just need to know that the integral is the area under the VT graph from 48, from 0 to 48 seconds. So the area is just, the displacement is just the area of this triangle. And so the area of the triangle is equal to half times base, which is 48, times height, which is 6. Half times 48 times 6 is equals to 144. And so the answer is C. Okay.